Okay, here I am inside of Audgram, and I am going to create a new Audgram. So I'm going to click Create New. I'll just call this one Test. Go to the wizard. Now, I want to point out here is where you add audio. You could paste some text, and then you can choose from an AI voiceover if you want to do that. So you might have a blog post, something like that, or you can upload audio. I'm going to upload audio. I've got language on auto detect, and I'm going to select my file. I've extracted about a 40-second clip from a YouTube video, a YouTube podcast for this example, but it could be your own audio only podcast. However you want to do your audio, just provide it with an audio file here, okay? And that's going to upload the audio file. It won't take a second, and then you'll get a complete message popping up. There you go, final audio has been created. We move on to the next step, step 2 of 6.
And not necessarily great at running things on a day-to-day basis.
So there is my clip that I've just uploaded playing. I can trim that as well. This is already trimmed, but if you've got a long audio, you can trim it, choose the section you want. I have captions switched on, so I'm going to go to step 3. And now this quickly, you'll find it has generated the captions for this particular video. Now I do like to go in and just tidy up a little bit. I notice some gaps here. I don't know if that's important or not, but it doesn't take a jiffy just to close those up. If you see any typos, or if somebody has repeated themselves too many times, or there's ums and ers, you can cut it out of here, and you literally, it will change the audio and change the captions as well. So next up, we are going to go to the next phase or step, which is step 4, where we've got all these templates to choose from. Okay, and you can see here you can toggle for vertical, horizontal or square. I'm going to just choose this one, vertical, and I'm going to go to the next, which is step 5. This is where you can customize everything. You can customize the text. So I could change that to hosted by Jules. I'm not going to go through everything here because it will take too long, but you can literally customize the text. This can be a headline here to capture attention. This is where the subtitles are going to appear, the captions are going to appear. I can change the background color. I can change the style of the waveform. I can add an intro or outro. You see what I mean? So as an example, I could get some media. I could remove that. I've got a photo of Richard Branson here in my library, so I can add that in there. I can layer it how I want and so forth. So you can really customize this as much as you want. Then we go to step 6, which is export. Now you get a certain amount of credits. Check the sales page, depending what plan you're on, or you can upgrade or you can buy more credits. But let's just export this. You'll see I'm in a queue, so it says 10 to 30 minutes depending on server demand. So I'm going to pause the video now, and I'll let you know actually how long it took when it's actually ready. So see you in a second. Okay, I'm back. That was actually 6 minutes that took. So let me download. Shouldn't take a jiffy. Okay, so here is the finished video, and it only actually took 6 minutes.
Often are great at starting things.
I'll play a bit at the top here.
Not necessarily great at running.
Obviously, you're going to edit all this,
so what
this
you need
text
to do
and everything
is,
yourself.
Immerse yourself in
I'll
your.
play a bit down in the middle here as well.
The basics, and
you can see super easy.
A lot from that crash.
And really good if you want to turn your audios into videos, leveraging the video social networks like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, Facebook, and so forth. So links down below, and thanks for watching this little review of Audgram.